This is Abhinandan. It's a very beautiful world here. Okay. Every time I think I should make, when I come here, it's a different kind of energy and a different kind of world. About 5 to 7 minutes from my place. So, I was Sunday, 4th January 2026, sitting and working for a morning, but in between distraction. This is Abhinandan. Okay, so in between distraction, last 2 days ago I was distracted about what is happening in Iran in between working, and from yesterday, from January 3rd, it is Venezuela. Okay, anyhow, in between I keep doing some work also. Now by 7:30 like that, the head will start paining in spite of taking a lot of coffee and working. So I just come out over here and sometimes sit here, interact with people. Yesterday I had a nice conversation with some people. New Year Day Eve was very good. So this is a very huge square and thousands of people come here, and backside and front side is a flea market. So this is my vlog recording. Instead of writing, recording is much more easier. As I'm walking, I can talk. While talking, my eyes is looking at beautiful people. Okay, not as beautiful as people in Colombia. Okay, anyhow, and you have to come. This church is very famous landmark. There are a lot of places, but I only come here. And these people all make nice money standing here. Okay, anyhow, I go this side, and then this is a shopping area over here, and then I come back. I have to be careful with my mobile. Someone will come and tap me and tell me someone can snatch your mobile and run away. Okay, but anyhow, so far already 4 days finished. But for me, geopolitical news make me to waste 1 hour to 2 hours of my peak state when I'm alert. So I somehow want to cut it off. Okay, from tomorrow, January 5th, I have to take some lot of action. I don't know what and all action I have to take, but I'll briefly tell what and all will work. I do not know. One is my visa in Bolivia is finishing on 20th. I have to plan to go to Chile. Okay, so when I plan to go to Chile, even though you have a US visa, okay, when you are going from Bolivia, you have to take a visa and go. So first step is Chile visa, which I want to work from tomorrow. Okay, from 5th of January. Then I'll go to the immigration in Bolivia at Santa Cruz to find out what is the details. How are you, my friend?
No.
You speak English?
My friend.
Yeah.
¿Desde dónde?
Okay, you WhatsApp me.
Desde la India.
Yeah.
India.
You're from Venezuela. What happened, Venezuela? Your friends are there in Venezuela? Okay, very good. Okay. Some people speak English, but he does not speak English. I have seen a lot of Venezuelan people in Colombia, Peru, and even here also. Can you imagine, out of more than 30 million people, 30 million population, 7.7 million people have left Venezuela. Anyhow, I won't waste my time talking about that because that won't benefit you and me. Earning money, making money, earning money smartly, traveling, okay, having good health for ourselves and our family is very, very important. So anyhow, earning money smartly through digital asset. Earning money smartly through digital asset is my expertise and my interest. Okay, how? See, today and yesterday I attended a Zoom meeting for 3 hours by an Indian person just to educate about crypto, to educate about digital asset. He's charging about 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees. How to create wallet, what are the best coins to invest. I attended yesterday 3 hours, today 3 hours in the morning. I don't know name that person, but he was very good in explaining and all the simple things. I teach freely. I tell people start with $55 or 4,811 or more. Okay, even if you start with $123 or $311, it is good. You can start with so different kind of pastries. So you should never have a mental block. People sometimes go waste lot of money, but for $55, I like to learn. I keep learning. I pay a lot of money for learning. Okay, so you take it like a learning project. When people are paying 12,000 rupees or something to that person, 9,900 I think he finally came. Okay, or even 9,900, they create a community and the community will take care. That is what they do. All these training programs online, all that you can learn freely only. But anyhow, I just come here. I have fun talking to some people, seeing things. I have my friend here. How are you, sir? Mr. Alfredo is my friend right now. My vlogging.
Really?
Blogging.
Yeah.
Okay.
Greetings. Have fun.
He's the author, written these books.
Yeah.
He has a own website. Very nice website.
Thanks. We're gonna talk.
Yeah.
Today finish this
Oh, today is the last day?
the last day. Maybe we can have a meeting next week.
Not making Monday, tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
I'm busy. I'm really busy tomorrow. Maybe
Okay, Tuesday?
Maybe Tuesday.
Yeah,
I'll write
Tuesday.
you.
Yeah, you WhatsApp me. We'll meet for a coffee in a cafe and discuss.
Okay, I will.
Okay, thank you very much.
See you. Thank you.
Okay. What is this, sir? So, okay. What is this? So, now he's my English speaking friend. He's an author, but he's very busy in this shop here from morning till evening. So I've already met him many times. And okay.
Thank you.
You speak good English, sir?
Yes, sir.
Where are you from? Yeah, I was just turning around. I met. He just told, "Excuse me" or "Thank you." You told.
My name is Ruben.
Ruben.
I talk English
Okay.
and Spanish too.
Okay.
This is my country.
Yeah.
But I live in other city. The city is Trinidad.
Okay.
It's like this clean. It's like hot. But,
So you are born in Santa Cruz?
Yeah, I born in Trinidad.
Oh,
It's like
Trinidad.
Santa Cruz.
Yeah.
But this
I know.
place-
I want. Is that very nice place to visit?
Yes.
Okay. There's
We
a,
have
there's a river nearby.
Yeah, like a rivers.
Okay.
Jungle.
Okay. And are you
this
going? And are you going there?
Yes.
When are you going? If you're going, I would like to come.
Maybe next time.
You have no idea planned?
No, no, I work in hard. Maybe I go back to New York in March.
Oh, New York.
Yes, I
Okay.
live in there. I have
So-
my apartment in Bay Ridge, Brooklyn.
Bay?
Bay Ridge.
Bay
You know,
Ridge.
there- Yeah,
Okay.
the Verrazano Bridge.
Okay. So what do you work in USA?
I have one beautiful job. It's like a super for the buildings.
Super?
Superintendent for the buildings.
Okay, you're a
Manhattan,
superintendent.
2nd Avenue and 34th Street.
Okay, okay.
4 buildings.
Oh, very
We're
good.
older, but
So how many days you are here?
in here I have. I've been here like 3 years ago.
Okay, again you're going back?
after the COVID.
Okay, you have not gone yet.
No, I go back to maybe in March.
Oh, March you're going. We'll meet for a cup of coffee. I'll have your number and I'll give you my number.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Then, but are you there on WhatsApp?
When you go back there?
I have my visa here till 20th.
Yeah.
After that, I want to go to Salar de Uyuni,
Oh, good.
and then I want to go to Chile.
Oh, you go to Chile too?
Yeah, and Argentina. I'm just traveling. This is the first time I came to South America.
Oh.
Okay, I came to Colombia. I was in Miami for 3. I'm from India, not from New York.
Oh, good.
But I keep visiting New York. From 2012, I'm visiting 2012, 2014, 2016, 2018, 2020.
Oh.
And 2024, after COVID, I came here to Miami. 3 months I was there. 6 months I was in USA, Washington and Richmond and Miami.
And Richmond?
Yeah, Richmond, Virginia.
Yeah.
And then I came to Miami, then Colombia 6 months, Peru 2 months. Now Santa Cruz already 2 months. I'll be living right now to 20th. I'm planning to extend my residency visa here.
Oh.
I'm looking for some ways of teaching people free English class, teaching people about web designing, and I want to do some online business and all. I find Santa Cruz very nice than La Paz.
What business you have in online?
I have a lot of business. I want to talk to you. Are you there on WhatsApp?
Yes.
Let me stop for a minute right now the video. This is Abhinandan.
Yes. Thank you. This is beautiful visitor to Bolivia.
Okay. Conversation with Ruben. We were just crossing here and he spoke in English. I told excuse me or something and he told thank you or something. It is recorded. Hello sir.
Hello, how are you?
So every day I come and take one walk because I keep working. So today is your last day?
Yes, now it's
Yeah.
the last day.
Tomorrow what I'll do is I'll WhatsApp you.
Yes.
Okay, I would like to meet you for a cup of coffee and discuss something with you because you speak English.
Okay. I'll
Okay.
be waiting for you.
Yeah,
Afternoon?
tomorrow afternoon or something. Morning I have some work. Maybe evening is fine. Tomorrow you don't have the store, am I right?
No, no.
Tomorrow. So I'll WhatsApp you today.
Okay. I'll be
Okay.
waiting.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, Abhinandan here. So like this, when I'm walking here, I meet people while I'm recording. Okay. While I'm recording, see that person is from New York. And he's told he's an administrator in a building. You know, in a building they sit in the front, you know, in the reception place. Okay, like that where 4 building is. He's now come on a holiday or something like that. But for me, I need people who speaks English and who speaks Spanish. And then if I'm able to educate them, and if they are open, I told if you work daily for 4 hours time, 2 hours to 4 hours time speaking to 20 people, WhatsApping people, speaking to 20 people, you can make about $100 per day. He was excited because $100 is a lot of money in America. Indian people don't know the value of it. $100 is approximately $3,000 per month. Okay, $3,000 per month is a good money, not a great money in America. You can survive. You can pay a rent of $800, $1,000, even in Miami or New York, in a good place. You can pay even $700 also for a room. Okay. But I visited many times New York and Miami. I know if you are making $800, $1,000 for a rent only, you are making $3,000, it is a lot of money. Sitting in India, you can earn that money. But I have seen people going and working for liars. I'll repeat again. People believe a liar because he's lying. You know what they're lying? They say join with $100 You get 1% daily, 2% daily. Okay, but who would pay for you 2%, 1% daily? But people in North India go become bakras for such people. I'll repeat. No, people in North India, they want easy money. They go become bakras for such people. People dance like this here. Okay. So, genuine business, genuine online bona fide, genuine online bona fide business, they won't have the intelligence to ask question. They won't be intelligent to ask question. In India, 98%, 97% of the people want easy money. If you tell them don't do anything, put $100, put $500. I have friends like that, like Bal Sundar and a lot of them, and mostly North Indian people. They don't want to work. They don't want to work. If someone says put $100, invest $100, invest $500, they put the money and they wait for someone to pay them 1%, 2%. No company is interested in you making money, my friend. No company. All that after 6 months, 1 year, they close. Government of India has written an article. I have that article. How these scams run. They make initial people, they close people to earn money. They keep showing that they are earning $500, $1,000 every day, and many of them are liars. I'll give you their names. They mislead their posting in Facebook and other things. They mislead their postings. Okay, mislead. I write elaborately in detail. People don't want to do a real referral affiliate business. Okay, real referral affiliate business. Affiliate marketing is done even by Amazon. You go to Amazon, it says affiliate marketing there. Work with us. Even Flipkart. But people don't want to do that. People want easy money and they lose the money. Abhinandan is the only person traveling the world by earning money with a $55 business, with a $123 USA based business, and there are more amount also. There is a heavy sound here. Let me go further. So while talking like this, Abhinandan meets people. By talking, while I'm recording for first 20 minutes, when I come out, 20 or 30 minutes time, then I sit down somewhere, interact with people, meet people. Now here only 2 people I'll be meeting, which is Reuben. So all these are my potential contacts. See, I got this printed. Here it's in Spanish language. The top one is my WhatsApp number. Below also USA number is my WhatsApp number. Okay, there are other slips also. Other slips. That's a get a free visit to India, Malaysia, China after you associate with the business and work towards it. See, there are, I will repeat again, there are stupid people, North Indian stupid people. I send the longest message ever written. Maybe you have ever read in your life in detail. But reading my message slowly, when your mind is fresh, will make you to understand. Visiting my website abhits.info and watching the complete video, you'll get an idea. But they won't, because they are lazy. Randomly, without asking permission, he will call. He cannot understand Hindi, cannot understand English. He will say, oh, I give $51, you take me to America, he will say. He won't understand. Then he'll say, you're scamming people. They just want to know something they want to tell, scamming. People don't know the difference between a scam. What is a scam, scamming, scammer? A scammer will never give his identity. A scammer will never meet you. You understand? Abhinandan is ready to meet you. So I can give you all my social identity. So I will. This side is a rush also. Let me go. Lot of people since it is Sunday. Sundays more people will be here. So while I'm just talking, walking like this, and sometime later also, I meet and build connection. I give my card like this, which is a Spanish card. My name is in English. Okay. So, you know why I want to talk to those people? I want to give for all these people one website, subdomain website. Only if they join the business with $55. So I was planning now. Let me tell you, plan one is either Chile visa or extending my visa here, residency visa, for 1 year time. Okay. So that is two plans. Then I have to meet some institutions, go to some colleges, institutions. I am planning to teach English, conversation English freely. I'm repeating. I am planning to teach conversation. I'm repeating two times. Okay, I'm planning to teach conversation English to college students. Okay. You know what? Conversation English, maybe thrice in a week, and then teach web designing. I was astonished. I went to some institution, big institution, they don't have a website. So I told, I'll give you a free website. My printer who printed for me, it cost $300, what I printed here. Now there will be some stupid people for so much 300 they'll say. No, it is for more than 24,000 slip. I've seen many times people responding like this without knowing full information or asking me. Okay. Anyhow, I do not know whether it is coming with full brightness. Only thing, I should stop watching all these YouTube videos of Venezuela, Iran, all geopolitical news. And focus on more momentum right now. I'll go to the church. I already went once. Now let me go like this only. Once again. Inside I won't talk. So those who have watched this so far, let me give you the instruction. Visit my website abhits.info. abhits.info. Open the website with this criteria fulfilled. Have a deep sleep for 9 hours time. I'll tell you why. Because any business videos will be boring. Any business videos will make you to sleep. It happens even to me also, if it is night time. But daytime, see, in India time when it is 8 o'clock, here it is morning 10:30. So most of the Zoom meetings happen from 7 p.m., 8 p.m. So I'll be fresh over here. But I know sometimes when I'm attending a Zoom meeting at night, I feel sleepy. So I may not talk over there. So first have a deep sleep, have a shower, then have 2 glasses of water to hydrate your brain, and then you know what, drink a strong cup of coffee, then open your laptop or a computer, but not mobile. It is unfortunate. I have seen a lot of North Indian liars who does businesses, online business. They won't have a laptop. North Indian Hindi speaking set workers. I'll tell you why I call them set workers. Set workers, they won't have even a laptop, but they'll say I'm making $1,000 every day. So now I'll give you their names also. Now you know what? Watch it on a laptop or a computer, and then contact me on WhatsApp. Contact me on the first WhatsApp. Save that number as Abhinandan. Abhinandan Global Business Mentor. WhatsApp me. After you WhatsApp, mention your name, your email ID, your profession, your city. Watch my other videos. Ask me for my other videos. And then pay 201 rupees. I don't wait. I have already given you the free video, which is there in my website. But for a Zoom meeting, 40-minute Zoom meeting to explain the business plan, I don't tell the company name, platform name. I don't tell the earning platform name. So the church sound is too much. I don't know whether it has been recording properly. So what I'll do is I'll stop it right now. Contact me and speak to me. Let me go inside. Sunday today. Lot of people. Oh, they are closed here. Oh, it is closed inside because too many people are there. So I think it is too much today. So it is. I think after this they will open. Oh, here is a opening place.